Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. If you're trying to find your AGI or adjusted gross income and you're looking at your W-2 form, you might be confused. Don't worry. In this video, I'll explain where to find AGI on W-2. If it's not there, I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can easily get your AGI for tax filing or any other purpose. Let's get started. We are here on this article to learn full process of where to find AGI on the W-2 form. When we scroll down in this article, we see a subheading called Where is the Adjusted Gross Income AGI on a W-2 form. In this subheading, it explains Adjusted Gross Income or AGI is not reported on W-2 form. So it is wrong to ask where is the adjusted gross income on the W-2 form. To calculate your AGI, you will need to add up all your taxable income and subtract any adjustments to income, such as contributions to traditional IRA or student loan interest. After that, there is another subheading called How to Calculate AGI from W-2 Forms. In this subheading, it gives the complete step-by-step process on how to calculate AGI using information given on the W-2 form. So, if you have your W-2 form and you don't know your AGI, you can use these few simple steps with your W-2 form and calculate your AGI. We have given the link for this article in the video description, and we have also made a separate video on how to calculate AGI. The link for that is also in the description. So in this way, you can very easily find your AGI using your W-2 form.